Who are you looking at?
Grandma and Daddy.
You are?
Mhm.
Do you love them?
Mhm. I love Daddy. I love Daddy this much. And I love Grandma this much too.
You do? That's so nice. Are you excited about getting to go see Grandma?
Mom, is Dora coming on next?
Dora's coming on next, yes.
No, Dad was coming on next.
Okay, well, we'll fix that. Do you want to say anything to Grandma and Daddy in Ohio?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
About my butterfly.
About your butterfly?
Yeah, and they can share my butterfly.
That's nice. Well, tell them good night.
Good night.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Sweet dreams. Stop hiding.
Sweet dreams.
What color is your hair?
Red.
Red. What do we call you?
Big red.
Big Red. Okay, blow kisses to Grandma and Daddy.